I have to change coolant temperature sensor, which is located underneath air intake. So let's take that off and replace this bad boy. I like by removing everything that's in my way. So dikes it is. Remove this bad boys up, and after that, alright, now that we're taking this piece can come out along with this bad boy. Airbox. A strut brace. Okay, after this we're gonna remove cabin air filter and filter housing. So let's take the wire loom out. It's better to keep this thing together up there. This will just pop out. And next we have 4 screws, but I only have 3. So, and these are T30. Man, they were loose. Alright, this should just go back up. Oh man, this is heavy. Alright, we can remove the elbow as well. A little bit of tension on that. Just out. Let's disconnect some more stuff. And looks like on the bottom there is a grommet that you just slide out. After you slide it out, there are also 2 screws here. There's one right there and one right there. Those will have to be unscrewed along with this bad boy. And also there is a connection down here. Hard to see, but she's right behind a dipstick, and that one you just have to press on both sides and will come out. Here is better view of that plug. Okay, there she goes. And also rubber grommet over here we have to remove, and then we get to do the clamps. So the grommet that holds this vacuum hose, or actually it's a battery cable, you pull it up. So don't break it, you just pull it up. Next vacuum hose is right here. Okay, those are all done. Next thing to the clamps. I do have special tools that I bought on Amazon. A bunch of different pliers, and I think these ones will help, but let's try it out. Alright, I guess I gotta remove this one to access the clamp as well. This bad boy's right here. Alright, so this is how these clamps clamp on. Basically, it's one hook right here. So you press these, you literally release them, use a little bit of a screwdriver to pick them up. Pretty much like that. Here we are. So let's take the intake off. Let's see what else we forgot to unbolt on the bottom. Alright, let's go. We gotta clean it anyways. Ooh, she look pretty. Oh, there's this bed on the back. There's one more cable on the bottom. Alright, that was pain. But this one just pops out. I don't know if you can see, this one just pops out. And on the back, there's one more cable that it's kind of hard to see from the top, so you'll just pull that one up. And that's how you remove the air box. I had to spray this with the brake cleaner because I wasn't sure how it comes out, but it just pulls out. Alright. And to install it, basically start with this bad boy. Plug him in first. Plug this bad boy second. And then screw it in. Plug it up here. Okay, with the air box off, here is our coolant temperature sensor right here. So we'll remove that, but first I'm gonna have to drain some coolant from the left side. So let's lift up the car. To access this hose down here, I'm gonna have to remove this shield. Pretty simple, just remove the clips, should be done. There are a few ways to remove a little bit of coolant by popping this plug off, and then you can squeeze this bad boy up and remove the sensor, and hopefully have a bucket down there to collect it. Just like that. This is out, but you can also release some pressure by opening the extra box up here. This sucks. This coolant is like pretty much brand new, but whatever. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna remove this plastic by literally removing the hose to get it out of my way. Alright, push the clip in, pull it down, and this is going to be 22 mil. So let's crank it. Not enough pressure, that's good. Just take it off. There she is. There's new, here's old. She's draining a little bit on the floor. Here's the difference. Pretty much same, but except this one is a little bit caked on. So let's replace it. Put this one in. Basically, we took that one off and plug it back in. Make sure the washer is on. It's good to go. Start from the bottom. She's going. No problem. Right there. She wasn't tight too much, so we're just gonna do the same thing. Right there. Okay, she's in. Now install everything back the way it was.